This watch, WAW014. Tell me a little bit about this, because it's all stainless steel.
Right. So this is a solid stainless steel link bracelet with jeweler removable links. So what does solid steel mean? It's not going to dent. It's not going to kink. It's going to wear extremely well.
Yeah.
When you pick this up, if you're giving it as a gift or if you're buying it for yourself, when you pick it up, you'll feel the weight and how substantial this is. Just comfortable to wear, easy to remove the links. And this has been one of our really strong, coming out of the gate, it's been a really strong seller.
Oh, absolutely. This has been one of the #1 pre-order on items in our show. You've got the sweeping second hand that's there. I love the fact that you've got the magnifier on the date of this piece, which is wonderful. And look at the curvature. So again, it's going to fit your wrist perfectly.
We have a 24 millimeter lug size, so the bracelet is 24 millimeter size, really comfortable, a nice depth.
Got it. You're right.
Again, we have 6 points of insignia on this watch, on the buckle, on the dial, on the case, on the strap, on the case, on the side, on the crown, and on the case back. So again, it's sticking with what the Marines are. K1 shatterproof crystal on this model, a Swiss movement, again, that Swiss quartz movement that's battery operated.
Look at that, right there, you know. And then, of course, on the back, all stainless steel. It's very slinky. It's very luxurious in the feel. But again, it's powerful. Every one of these watches, I just think, are powerful pieces. And you can remove the links, so that's not going to be a problem at all. Jeweler removable links, which are here. And it's only $199.99. Now, I will tell you, if you want this timepiece, we already are fewer than 30 of these to go around. I love the fact that we did it on stretch pay. You need to see this on Tim so you can see. You can dress this up as far as you need to, or you can wear it as casual. It's an everyday piece, or it's going to be your dress-up watch. This is also something, too. It's the only bracelet style that we have in the show. And I love it. That stainless steel is an important metal to be able to put this in. And now we have fewer than 20, just like that. And of course, you know, having the insignia, having the sweeping second hand that's here, these are really fantastic. So we can only give you a minute because now we have fewer than 20 of these to go around. And look at that. This is an important piece. And again, think about, you know, yes, you can get it for Father's Day. What about anniversary gifts? What about graduation gifts? What about a wedding gift? Maybe you're marrying someone in the military.
Or somebody that just wants a tough and rugged watch.
Exactly right. That's what I think is so fantastic too, because you know that's exactly what I think. When I think of timepieces like this, you think tough, you think rugged, you think strong, you know, and that's the look that Wrist Armor has done. Rugged, strong, but also